Hi guys! Welcome to our tour. Wait lang.
Sige na, go na!
Hi guys! Welcome to our room tour in Dusit Thani, Mactan, Cebu. So, first floor, meron kaming bathtub. You have your overhead shower, extra towels, and here is your counter table. Yeah, this is our counter table. We have conditioner, shampoo, body wash, body lotion, dental kit, alcohol, soap, extra glass. We have our zoom mirror. Zoom mirror ba ito? Yeah. And over here, you have your own telephone. Oh my god. Hello, Coron. So this is a telephone you can, call the receptionist. We have bidet, extra pillow, extra towels. And here, this big cabinet, we have 2 bathrooms. You have your safe box, extra drawers, blower, extra hanger, extra pillow, super extra. Here is our talaga. You can iron your clothes, the kabayo, I don't know kung nandyan, so you can store your luggage. Here is the extra table for your things. Yeah, and this is the body mirror. This is the body mirror. And guys, we have a secret. We can access the another room. Let's check it out. See, we have access to another room. I don't know why we can access this one, but yeah. So it's just same thing. Same lang. Kung ano meron sa room namin, meron din sila. I think this is a family room. That's why it's connected to our room. So let's lock this one. So over here we have a 55-inch TV. Here is our personal ref. Yeah, it's working. This is our free coffee, free tea, free whatever, glass, and yung ice bucket. Yes. Yan, and then we have luxury outer mirror here. Basurahan. In the bedside. Oh, this is so nice. Bedside, okay. We have some notes, lights. You have your clock. You have your own telephone. You have your remote control over everything, aircon. And this is our view. Oh my god, this is so hello. This is our view, guys. So, nakaraan binagyo ang Cebu. That's why yung mga coconut nila hindi kompleto yung And guys, so may mga pinagdaanan. So this is our view. This is our window. Oh my god, this is so huge. Look at our view. So yeah guys.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. So nandito tayo ngayon. Dusit Thani. Tour na lang tayo.
Lakad ka lang.
Ito yung pool nila.
Kasi against the light dito.
Some areas are still closed dahil ship. That's why it's secret. Nabali na talaga dahil accidentally dahil sa accidentally. Sarado pa rin.
Ikaw eh. Wala pang face mask. mo lang.
So this is the restaurants. Over here. There's sunset. So this is the Lapu.
Nakatubis ka. Dapat pinakita rin natin yung sunahan.